All right, so we got our continue statement handled. So let's make a new file, and let's do this one based upon the break statement. So go ahead and close this, and let's just go right back into our text editor and let's make a new file. Let's actually do that line, the shebang line at the top, just so you get used to typing that in. And if you remember where it was, we were at which Python user bin Python 3. So let's put that back in here. /user/bin/python 3. All right. So let's work on our break statement this time. Let's make a very similar loop to what we did last time. So for value in, this is a long string, four spaces, if value is equal to O, not 0, O, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, break, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then let's do print value. Cool. And let's go ahead and save that. So Control S. Let's save it back to the desktop just like we did last time. Why not? And let's name this break.py. All right. Switch back over to your command prompt. Let's just do a clear on the screen. And now we can do Python break. All right. What do you notice that's different about this time? Let's pop up our code here again. You can see it, what executed. All right, but what we did, for value in this is a long string. If value is equal to O, then break. So we got this is a L, and then we hit the O, and then the loop completely ended. So it completely escaped out of the loop in that scenario. So can you see the big difference between break and continue? So break will break and stop the loop from executing. Now, if you have a nested loop, it's only going to stop the inner loop that's part of the nested loop there, but it will completely stop it and return to the outer loop. So there's different scenarios where you'd want to use these, and when you start writing code and start parsing through a lot of the output from different screens that you may connect into, you'll start seeing where you need to use these. But in the next one, let's talk a little bit about the pass statement. That's probably the most simple of all of these.